You're 6. You forgot about your birthday?
When was your birthday?
5, 6.
December 10th.
10th? Mine's December 8th. I'm not joking. It's December 8th. How about that?
So I was your birthday, and then Santa comes 2 weeks later. Yikes. It's an exciting month. You guys all set?
I'm good.
So,
Now you were telling me what? What do you want to do when you grow up?
A police officer.
Why do you want to be a police officer, Darius?
People killing people.
Do you want to help stop that? Yeah. Tell me what you see on TV the other day.
This
You saw what happened out here? What'd you think when you saw that?
is sad.
Really sad, huh?
What'd you come out here to do, Darius?
To see it.
Did you put something over there?
Candle.
Why'd you do that?
Cause it's sad.
That's all right, Bubba.
It's okay.
so nice you did that, buddy.